everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Paramjeet, a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I am going to be creating this simple glam look which you can easily recreate for a party. So we are going to begin by prepping the skin using a Cetaphil moisturizing cream. I am applying it all over my face and neck and gently massaging it in for a good 10 minutes. Next, I am applying the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream on my under eyes using my ring finger which has minimum pressure and gently spreading it all over the under eyes and lids. For my lips, I am using the Indulgio Essential Spouted Lip Oil and applying it generously over my lips to hydrate them. I am applying a primer next, which is the NARS Radiance Primer. This gives a smoothing effect and will also help in my makeup application. Next, I am picking the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation in the shade Warm Honey and mixing it with a drop of Cover FX Enhancer drops in the shade Sunlight before I apply it all over my face and neck. I am going to be blending it into the skin with a damp beauty blender. For the concealer, I am going to be picking up the MAC Studio Fix Concealer and applying it on my under eyes, sides of my nose and mouth, and on my acne scars. I am also going to apply a little bit of the same concealer on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead to brighten up the area. I am blending the concealer with very light taps so that it doesn't move. I applied a small bit of the concealer on my eyelids to create a base for my eyeshadow. Time now to set the base with a powder, and I'm using the Chanel loose powder and I'm loosely dusting it all over my face. Now the eyebrows. I'm using the Browsings from Benefit. I have a detailed video on how to fill your eyebrows to make them look fuller. If you are interested in it, I am going to be linking it on the iCard above so you can click on it and have a look. For the eyeshadow, I am going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. Using a light brown shade as my transition shade, I am going to place it just above my crease and blend it. Next, I am picking a shimmery peach shade and gently placing it on my eyeball and blending it towards the inner corner of the eye and push it upwards a little till the crease, creating a soft cut crease look. Also applying the same shimmery shade on the inner lower lash line to brighten up the eyes. Now picking a dark brown shade to place it on the outer corner of the eye and blending it gently to create an outer V in small circular motion. Also applying the same dark brown to the outer lower lash line. Now let's dust off the excess setting powder from the under eyes with a fresh brush. For the eyeliner, I am going to be using a liquid one. And I'm using the black Lakme Absolute eyeliner and applying a thin line and creating a small wing. I am also filling my lower lash line with Lakme Iconic Eye Pencil in a brown color. I like that the dark brown shade is not as dark as a black pencil. For the mascara, I am using the Bad Girl Lash Mascara from Benefit and applying on my upper and lower lashes. Time now for the falsies, and I've picked the tapered lashes from PAC number M77. Now for the blusher, I am going to be using the Maybelline Master Flush Creator and I am placing it on the apples of my cheek for that orangey flush. I am also applying a little of the same blush on the bridge of my nose and the temples so that it creates a natural flush of color. I am also using my favorite Hoola bronzer from Benefit for a light contoured effect. For the lips, I like to use a lip pencil from Color Bar in brown shade before the lipstick. I lightly overline my upper lip so that it looks more fuller. The lipstick is one of my favorites here, which is the Crosswires from MAC. Finally, time for the highlighter, and I am going for a Becca highlighter on the high points of my cheek and the bridge of my nose. Be careful not to overdo it. That's the completed look and you are ready to rock the party. Please like and share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will look forward to your comments and suggestions. And I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.